room 124, disabled access room at the Premier Inn, Southampton city centre. So vanity mirror, it's fairly standard stuff these days. Get a hairdryer, there's extra pillows down there. This wardrobe is open. I do like the way that it's, you know, it's all lowered down for disabled access. There's a heater, bottle opener, tea and coffee facilities. It's all clean when we came in. Big television, big smart television, all the connectors there, they all work, which is good. You know, you've got a fan in here. There's not much of a view out the window because you're facing the brick wall, which is down onto the car park. The seat in the corner. Again, the bed's all lowered. So it's all good for disabled access. You've got your call bell here if you need help. There's one in the bathroom as well. There's a little table that side and a thing that side. I did notice there's only one plug underneath the table down there for your phone. There's a couple of sockets on here, but other than that, that's it. And let's go into the bathroom. Again, it's big for disabled access. There's a bath, shower over the bath, there's grab rails. And you should toilet and your sink, like I say, there's grab rails. And pull cord should you get into trouble. So there you go, room 124, disabled access, Premier Inn, Southampton. These are the views from the restaurant of Southampton. Should be able to see the ships come in here.
Can you see them coming in?
Yeah.
There's none in.
We're doing well. The boss is back.
Yeah, it's smoother.
Can I have mine with McGuinness with it?
With garlic.
They're what?
With garlic. Get one panel.
Oh,
So I was literally
naked.
yeah.
Thank you very much.